This question tricks a lot of takers. Can you solve it? In this video, we're going to find the value of x given that 8 to the x minus 5 to the x is equal to 39. Well, our first step will be for us to simplify 39 into the product of two numbers. So we have 8 to the x minus 5 to the x to be equal to 39 is the same as 3 times 13. Good. We can simplify further. The left hand side we have 8 to the x minus 5 to the x. This is equal to, now when I see 8 and I see 5, that reminds me that when I subtract 5 from 8, it gives 3. So 8 minus 5 is 3 times, then when I add 8 and 5, it gives 13. So 8 plus 5. Very good. Now, does this expression on the right remind you something? That whenever I have, for example, when I have m minus n times m plus n, it is the same as m squared minus n squared. That is it. This is known as the difference of two squares. So that means we can write this expression in the form of this. So we have on the left 8 to the x minus 5 to the x to be equal to, now this written in this form will be 8 squared minus 5 squared. You see that? Now when you compare, you notice that x is equal to 2. That is it. And that is our final solution. Well, if you enjoy episodes like this, click the video below.